I am so happy to have this ability to post this video today to wish all of you who are celebrating Christmas, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And for those who are not celebrating Christmas, wishing for you to be open to the special light that always comes in to our planet at this time of year. This is a time when people's hearts tend to be more open, more giving, more of a sense of generosity and love. And there is something unique and special about that at this time of year. And I really wish for everyone to be able to receive the blessings of Christmas, whether you're celebrating Christmas or not. So I am recording this message on December the 17th, and I was aware that I was going to record this message today. So last night I was out with the metal polish, and I was polishing the brass buttons all the way down this shirt, just really wanting to bring in just a real sense of the specialness of this day and also of this community. I really have to say, this YouTube community has touched my heart so deeply. I really, I have really come to love you, and I am really loving this journey that we're having together. And I'm really looking forward to where we will be going together in the coming year. So I am coming to you with a great deal of love. And also, it's very important to me. Integrity has been so important after growing up in a cult. Integrity has somehow arisen as being so important. So, being a woman of my word, I promised you a gift of my Heal Your Heart Through Meditation program today. And so I will be posting access to that in the comment area in the description of this video so that you can access my beautiful Heal Your Heart Through Meditation program. It's a 7-week program delivered by daily emails, and they're just delightful little what I call home plays because I think there's been enough work already. We do not need homework. So I offer home plays each day, and the program is gamified. So this means that there's a game as well. You can win spiritual treasures if you want to, and if you don't want to play the game, you don't have to. And also, if something comes up and you can't keep up with the program, you can put it on pause. I have developed this game, I'm calling it a game, the Heal Your Heart Through Meditation program. I've developed it for years. And so it is a pretty amazing program at this point. And I really hope that you will receive it as a gift from my heart to yours at this very important time. I've never offered it for free, and I am offering it for free at this time because I really think that this program can help a lot of people to be able to get into a better place and to develop some discipline, some healthy discipline, which will help you to feel much better and to feel more grounded and feel stronger for the journey ahead. And so it is with great delight and pleasure that I am offering my program to you. And it'll be on this special through December the 31st. So December 25th to December 31st, you will have access to get it. So please be sure to grab it within that window of time. And also, if there's anybody that would like to give some money towards the program, I'm also providing that opportunity. If you'd like to contribute $11 or $33 or $100 to the program, certainly, I'm grateful for the support, but it is not necessary. If you're in a situation where you just need to receive the program, then please do just receive it and enjoy it. So that is what I have to say now. I am offering the free live program on January the 5th to envision a powerful 2025. So if you haven't signed up for that, I hope that you will be sure to sign up for it. And that will be a wonderful place for us to be able to get together live with each other, you know, well beyond this sort of, YouTube, um, you know, way of interacting. It would be really wonderful if you can make it to the program on the 5th so that we can be in a Zoom room together and connect in that way. So, again, I am wishing you the most beautiful, most blessed Christmas, whether you're celebrating Christmas or not. May you really receive all the blessings that you are needing at this time to really nourish your spirit deeply, for this year that we have ahead. So I am sending all of my love to you.